This is not a modular, not a double wide. It was stick built with real boards. You know what those boards would cost in today's market? Ching ching. Here's your efficient oil hot water furnace and the Boilermate, the blue model next door. The attached garage became a rec room area. They took the doors out. This is 36 by 24. Ideal for an in-law apartment, extra bedrooms, a home office. See the entry to the basement? There's a ramp, so you could actually take your motorcycle right down there if you want to do. There's a set of steps to the basement. This is a ramp, an incline. So plenty of room. If you want to put 2 more garages in, you could have 4, a total of 4. "36 by 24, the size of your garage. This is really more like almost a 3-car garage, even though there's 2 doors. You've got power doors, there's a drain, and they did the foundation right. See the expansion joints? It's a detached garage. And again, what was attached to the house that was a 2-car garage, you could go back to more garages. How many vehicle bays do you need? Restore an old car, woodworking shop, work on your sleds, ATVs. You're on the sled trail, the ATV trail. You are not far from the Great North Woods and lots of lakes. Maine is the way life should be. You enter the house, coming in off the garage, there's a double closet in the entryway. That door on the left takes you to the basement. You've got a pantry closet, and through one of those doors is a laundry. We're going to leave the washer dryer here. This would be your dining area. The home heated with an Pizzotti, a nice little Italian furnace with a Boilermate. It has 3 zones for efficiency. Coming in off that dining room, we have a big archway to the living area. You've got a closet in this living room. This is not a modular, not a double wide. It was stick built with real boards. There's 2 bedrooms now, but with that attached insulated area that used to be the 2-car garage, you could add another 2 bedrooms easy, or go down into the basement. See the archway? Makes it a nice open flow design. That side-by-side refrigerator and the new electric stove will stay. Your kitchen wraps right around. There's a counter that has enough room for a couple chairs for a breakfast nook. Vinyl flooring. Lots of closets in this home. This bathroom actually has a place for a little vanity, a makeup area. Built-ins, like cabinets and drawers that are pretty deep. There's a tub and a shower. Vinyl insulated windows, the double kind that tilt in and that really work. The roof was replaced around 2013. They just paved the driveway last year. Let's head down the hall to the 2 bedrooms. This one with a double closet. The other bedroom has a zone for heat. The other bedroom also more of a catch-all storage area. A double closet. See the thermostat for heating? Heading down into the basement, don't forget that you can get here from the garage. This is that outside entrance to get you into what was the attached double garage. See how there's real boards. Everything's cross-bridged. This was well built. You know what those boards would cost in today's market? Ching ching. Here's your efficient oil hot water furnace and the Boilermate, the blue model next door. Private 1,000-gallon septic goes to the east, your well the other direction, so they're 100 feet apart from each other. I'm in so many houses where it looks like a spider's nest, helter-skelter. This is not that type of application. There's 275 feet of frontage on the West Road. Monticello's a friendly town. You have a grocery store with gas. You're out in the country. Got a big view. We've got elevation. 1.74 acres. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. Please look down below in the Show More region. That's where the price is, how to get hold of us, and please make comments. They help everybody that watches this video. See you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel.